Today, we're gonna do a screen replacement on the iPad Mini 2, second generation. Let's get right into it. All right, so here we have the iPad Mini 2, second generation, right here. And over here, the screen is cracked right up in this corner right there. And then there's a bunch of scratches. It looks like somebody probably fell like this and then it dragged like that. But these are the tools that we're gonna use today. A really thin, flexible metal tool like this. As you can see, maybe we'll use this. Screwdriver for sure we'll use. Might use some scissors. I know I'll be using this. And I think that is it. So let's get this started. All right, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna blow heat all around the edges, and then we're gonna insert this and then take off the screen. Alright, so as you can see, this thing just opens up like this. And as you can see, the insides. So what we're going to do next is take out this LCD screen by these 4 screws that are around the screen. Alright, so now that we got the screws out, we're gonna lift this display out just like this. Alright, so now that we can lift the LCD display up, as you can see, there's a metal shield in here. And it has a whole bunch of screws going down the sides. So we're gonna unscrew all these screws right here. All right, so now we got to this point, and what you'll see right here is another 3 screws, and this is what everything connects right into. All right, so here's your LCD display screen, just like this. I can hold it right in my hand, actually. But we'll just put this aside, put it over here. And then as you can see, we have the glass digitizer still in here. So let's take this out. Alright, so this is what the digitizer looks like right here, as you can see. And I'm going to show you guys the new part, just like this. And as you can see, the new screen already has this metal magnet right here already attached to the screen. And you see how it has the same tape right here on the original one, on the original cracked one you see. They already have this screen actually already comes with all this stuff already on it. See? Right here. And then of course this strong Tessa tape that goes all the way around the edges. And you see on the original, it has this kind of soft, like a soft cushion thing with it this already has it as well. You see, right there. It already has it all the way around the edges. So this thing is like good to go, all right? With the little ring thing too, right up here. All right, so what we're gonna do now, as you see, there's just a bunch of tape and glass that's left. So we're gonna just clean up all this tape and any of the little glass that we see. And then we'll just go in reverse. All right, so it looks like we got everything. I just want to double check and go all the way around right here. Make sure everything is completely out. And it looks like everything is. All right, so basically what we do, we just work in reverse. All right, so we're gonna start off with the glass digitizer screen. We're gonna put this in and connect this thing in first. See, it's all a pop-in connection. Put this little piece of tape right there and plug this right in. All right, so now we're gonna put in this little metal shield. Then we're gonna put in our 4 screws right here. All right, so now that we have everything connected in, I'm gonna power it on just to test all the parts. So let's wait until everything boots up and then we can try out the screen. All right, everything looks good. Screen is working. Let's test the home button. Home button looks good. Okay. Home button. Everything looks good. All right. So what we're gonna do now is make sure the LCD display is all cleaned up and it's not full of it doesn't have any fingerprints or anything like that. And then we're gonna take all the tape, the tape that's already attached with the screen, and then we'll just seal it right in. All right, just to show you guys something really quick. As you guys see, the new screen already comes with magnets, as you see right here. This one was actually the original one that came on the screen, but yeah, magnet right there. We'll peel this off, and then we're gonna set this right in. All right, and that's the screen replacement on the iPad Mini 2. If anybody wants to buy this or is interested in buying this thing is like in almost perfect condition. Look at the back, it doesn't even have scratches on it. This thing is going up for sale. Anybody wants to buy it, write in the comments below. I'll be able to ship this out to you. All right, and that's gonna do it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.